My boy Nicholas has a big fish on this time, I think. So this is a big one, Daddy.
This one's the big one, Daddy.
Do you think you can get him? Just hold on. He's big. Just hang on.
Something bigger.
Oh, he's big. I guarantee you he's big.
Help me a little bit.
You're doing good. Just do it just like you're doing. Just reel only when he's not fighting too hard.
This one's hard.
He's big.
Well, help me, you did. Help me, Dada.
He's a big one. Keep reeling.
Please don't be sharp.
Let him fight. When he fights, let him fight.
Whoa.
He's going to look a little bit like a crocodile, but he's not.
What is... Help me, Dada.
You're doing good. You don't need any help. Just hang on. Don't let him pull you in. Pull back a little. Now wait. Now just be patient. He's going to pull hard, so just be patient. Oh, he's a big one.
Help me.
You're doing good. Just keep him coming in. Just be gentle. Just keep him coming. You're doing it. Just when he pulls, let him pull. Only fight him when he's not pulling hard. Let him pull. Okay. Hey, get your hand off the reel. Just on that. You're doing good. Just keep him coming. He's real big. Nicholas, come on, you can do it. Just real gentle. Here, take the rod out. Just walk him back. Gentle. Gentle. Keep him going. Keep going. There he is. He's a big catfish. It's a big, fat catfish. Good catch, Nicholas. That's a big one.
Where did we get him?
In the mouth. He's a big boy. Look at that. He's a big, fat one. Yeah, you can pet him. Stand by him. Let's get some pictures with you with him. Get right over there. Kneel down, and then pet him. Okay, be careful though. That's good. Okay, good catfish.